Okay, so the AC shows on, well, it's spinning. And as I get up and check for cold air, it's kind of lukewarm air coming out. It's not, it's coolish. So it does that for a few minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes. And then when you go over to the actual Ecobee, it threw up an error a little while ago that said, or a message that said, your there's an issue. It's calling for AC, but your heat has gone up 4 degrees in the last couple hours. I'm not sure what that red light is that's blinking there, but anyway, so it's right now we're at 70 degrees. It's 76. The AC was working. Last night, actually even this morning, it was nice and cold. It was, low 70s, 71 degrees when we got up this morning, and there was cold air coming out. So basically it'll do this, and if you just leave it like this, it calls for it, it's a cool home, equipment running. Let's see what else. It's like cools on, I don't know what else that would be like interesting. Cools on there. I don't think there's anything else there. So it'll basically do this. And then I'll go out in the garage. So the furnace will stay on. You can hear it that it's on. It's blowing, so the fan stays on. And then this unit will go off, which is off. You can see it's off now. So it came on for maybe 5 minutes or so, and then now it turns off. So that it'll sit like this for 10 or 15 minutes. Then with just the furnace running, the fan running, and then the AC unit will pop back on again for 5 to 10 minutes and then turn back off. It kind of just continuously cycles on and off.